little bit of a panic because maintenance person here just told us, you know what, you need to get your excavator out of here in about an hour. Hey everybody, Damian Drager, 4D Exterior Escapes. It is a little bit before 8 a.m. on day 5 of the Turtle Pond rebuild down at the Houston Children's Museum. Got an early start here. Have a little bit of a panic because the maintenance person here just told us, you know what, you need to get your excavator out of here in about an hour. Everything needs to be out. We need to have all this area cleaned up. We were not aware of that till this morning. So instead of jumping on our work that we have left to do, we're taking care of this. And well, one of our guys here is scraping the machine as clean as possible so we can get it out of here. And we got a leapfrog mats all the way out down the path down there. I'll show you that later. Filling it. Not necessarily to fill it up to run it, but we do have to get as much of this gravel rinsed off and cleared out as we can. So we got a garden hose down there just getting started, getting a little bit of water on the bottom. But again, this is going to be put into about maybe 6 inches or so. We'll drop a clean out pump in there, take one of the hoses and just start rinsing everything, because you can see all this gravel, lots of dust, lots of fines in there. This pond over to the museum by the end of the day, functioning as clean as we can. There will be some tidying up that the Aquasprings crew will have to do on Monday, maybe Tuesday too. I don't know what their schedule's like, but hopefully things go well. We'll have it up and running by the end of the day today. Hey everybody, Damian Drager, 4D Exterior Escapes. We are at the Houston Children's Museum, and one other project that I did where we incorporated a large number of logs and things is we took our some tools and we etched our names into the logs, because I don't want to use the word emotional thing, but we are connected to what we do. We love what we do, and you know, just kind of want to leave one of those remembrances. So I'm going to do the same thing here, but we're not going to tell Hunter, okay? Got our rotary tool. All right, so the first set really didn't turn out all that well. So we got the second set here. It's a 4D and a DD for Damian. So nobody else will probably ever notice that, but I know it's there. Again, it's an emotional attachment thing. Love what we do, appreciate being part of this project, and just want to be here. Thanks. Hey everybody, Damian Drager, 4D Exterior Escapes. We are here at the Eco Station, or the Research Pavilion at the Eco Station at the Houston Children's Museum, where we just finished up pond. This is the view that the children and everybody, all the visitors, are going to get from inside the building. Got plenty of shots from outside, but you can see this waterfall through these big doors, and they'll have access to this later. Got the other wall over there, and then I believe we can see this one. A little bit of a stretch, but you can see that one through there. So if you're in the area, I strongly encourage you to come down, check out the museum, check out the new turtle pond, and enjoy it. Have a good day.